Okay, so our step one is going to be to draw an arc centered at point B. It just needs to intersect your line twice. So draw your arc, intersecting your line twice. We're going to label those points of intersection C and D. Then your step two is to draw an arc centered at C and an arc centered at D with a radius that is greater than the length of CB. You got to go past that halfway mark because it's going to cross in two different spots. So we're going to reset our compass to be a little larger. And you're going to draw an arc centered at C. You're going to use that same arc at D. And your two arcs that you just drew should cross in two different spots. They do not have to intersect that first circle. They could intersect anywhere. And then we're going to draw a line through the intersection of those last two circles that we just drew. That line should go through point B, provided that you don't slip. Questions? So, yes?
Okay, so let's say if you already have like pre-existing points that they have on there, does it have to go to the points that we have on there? Like it has to
So if they give you, maybe they had a point A sitting out here and they have a point E sitting here. No, because your whole, you have to have C and D, these 2 points, they have to be equidistant from B. And so they need from that point that is given. So you just kind of ignore those points. You center it at B, you get your first one so that you have an intersection where C and D are equidistant. In the next example, you'll see B is not on the line. You still use that initial circle to get that equidistant from that given point. So they could throw 14 million points in there and it's not going to make a difference. Anybody else? Okay. So, summarize. We do one arc centered at the point that was given. You label your intersections. Then you do a new arc that has a radius bigger than halfway. You do it centered at C, centered at D. Where they intersect is your line.